All right, still reviewing. We are here. We are looking at question number 9. The graphic below shows an approaching cold front. It says it here, it says it here. It shows me the cold air advancing. It shows me it's moving in this direction. And I know, because we've studied about cold fronts, that cold fronts can have stormy weather. So I have to be careful when there's a cold front moving in. Now, again, I see this word down here, so I'm a little worried already. What will most likely happen as the result of the approaching cold front? So let's take a look at these answers and let's see if we can figure this out. It will produce no precipitation. Stormy weather, is that equal to no precipitation? No. It will produce some precipitation. It sure will, because we said storms. It will produce brief periods of heavy precipitation. All right, well, one of those is the better answer, the most likely answer, and we know that stormy weather is very heavy precipitation, so your best answer is C. A cold front will produce brief periods of heavy precipitation.